Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest updates in PHP 8.4. This version is packed with improvements that will make your code cleaner, faster and more efficient. Let's check out what's new. Performance improvements. PHP 8.4 brings another round of performance enhancements. The GIT compiler has been further optimized, reducing execution time for complex calculations and improving overall speed. If you are working on high-performance applications, you will definitely see the difference. New read-only collections. A long-awaited feature. PHP 8.4 introduces read-only collections, ensuring that arrays or objects remain immutable after initialization. This makes your code safer and prevents unintended modifications. Enhanced match expression. The match expression gets even better. Now it supports multiple conditions per case, making your switch case logic more readable and concise. No more long chains of comparisons, just clean and efficient code. Improved typed properties. Typed properties now support default values with expressions. This means that you can use dynamic initialization like this, a small but powerful upgrade. Property hooks. Property hooks enable native supports for computed properties, which can be easily recognized by IDE and static analysis tools, eliminating the need for doc-block comments that may become outdated. Additionally, they offer a dependable way to pre- or post-process values, without the need to verify if a corresponding getter or setter is present in the class. Asymmetric visibility. The ability to write to a property can now be controlled separately from the ability to read it, reducing the need for boilerplate getter methods that expose a property's value while preventing external modifications of the class. The PHP 8.4 also comes with new array functions. New functions such as array find key, array any, and array all are available. Class instantiated without parentheses. Properties and methods of a newly instantiated object can now be accessed without wrapping the expression in parentheses. Streamlined date handling. Working with dates in PHP is now even smoother. PHP 8.4 introduces new methods for handling time zones and simplifies common date-time operations. Less hassle, more productivity. Deprecations and removals. Of course, with new features come some deprecations. Certain outdated functions and behaviors are being phased out, so be sure to check your existing code for compatibility. PHP 8.4 is available for download. Have you tried it yet? What's your favorite new feature? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on PHP and web development. See you next time.